Look, they got free holy water right here. Look at this, crazy. I don't want to get near it. It might burn me. This is our Airbnb. We finally got to Italy after we missed our flight. Then we got bumped to second class, and then we got bumped again back up to first class. Our flight was 2 hours delayed because the pilots didn't have enough hours. Then the flight attendants ran out of hours, and they had to get new flight attendants. So we got to Rome at 6 o'clock at night. Now we're gonna go out to eat. Ready for what's behind the door? If I can open the door. Oh yeah, look at that. Right in the heart of Rome. Look at this. Look at this. This is literally right outside our door. Like 10 steps. Look at this. Welcome to Rome. Now we're gonna go try to find somewhere to eat.
We're eating right there.
Oh, actually we're eating right here, right outside our Airbnb restaurant.
Si sa, noi del sud parliamo a voce alta. Si sa, noi del sud facciamo discussione imposta. Siamo allergici alle strisce di restare in fila non ci
See what's on the menu tonight.
Si sa, noi del sud leggiamo libri a stento. Si sa, noi del sud collezioniamo caffè a scrocco. Imbattibili nel lancio.
Should have freshened up to my Italian before I went out to eat, but I have the app on my phone, so we'll see that, or the Google Translate. Okay, wonderful dinner. We had a wonderful dinner. Now we're going to the grocery store because we need some food. Actually, I need candy. I know there's probably 1,000 people that'll tell me to stay away from it, but just can't do it. I've been looking for Gatorade for like 4 days. I don't have it anywhere but the US. You know why? Because this shit's bad for you. Oh, you know what? I lied. Look. Shocking. I didn't think they had Gatorade here. Oh, they also have Red Bull. You know, that shit's bad for you. For some reason, I'm totally fascinated by the ceilings of the Vatican. So the next few minutes will be nothing but ceilings because they're so pretty.
somebody dies.
Okay, to finish my tour of the Vatican, I'm going to climb 520 steps to the top of St. Peter's Basilica. Hopefully get a nice view of Rome, which is supposedly the highest point in Rome is at the top of this, so let's check it out.